I thought my family was complete until one quiet evening. My parents brought home a girl I had never met. She carried a small bag, a nervous smile, and a secret that would change my life forever. Story. When I was 14, my parents told me that we were going to adopt a girl named Lena. I did not know how to feel because I had always been the only child in my home. At first, I worried that everything would change. I wondered if my parents would love me less, or if Lena and I would never become close. The first day Lena arrived, she stood near the door and softly said, "Hi, I hope I can become part of your family." Her voice showed both hope and fear. I smiled and replied, "You don't have to be perfect, just be yourself. We can learn about each other." During the first few weeks, we were different in many ways. I enjoyed reading, while Lena loved drawing. I liked quiet mornings, but she enjoyed talking and sharing stories. Slowly, I discovered that our differences were not problems. They were reasons for us to understand each other better. One day, Lena came home from school looking upset. She said, "Some students asked me why I don't look like my family." I could see that her words hurt her. I sat beside her and said, "A family is not only about appearance. It is about love, support, and the moments we share." After that day, we became much closer. We studied together, helped each other, and laughed about small things. Lina was no longer just my adopted sister. She was my true sister. She taught me that relationships are built with kindness, patience, and time. Years later, I looked back and remembered how worried I was when Lena first arrived. I realized my biggest fear had become my greatest blessing. The person I thought would change my life negatively was the person who made it more beautiful. Lena also shared her feelings with me. She said, "I was scared you would never accept me, but you gave me a place where I feel safe." Her words reminded me that a simple act of kindness can make someone feel valued. Our family was not perfect, but we learned to communicate and respect each other. We faced challenges together and always tried to understand one another. Having an adopted sister showed me that love is not limited by blood. Now, when people ask me about Lena, I don't say she is my adopted sister first. I simply say she is my sister. The word family has a deeper meaning because of everything we experienced together. This story taught me that people can enter our lives in unexpected ways. Sometimes, the person we are unsure about at the beginning becomes the person we cannot imagine living without. Every new connection is a chance to learn, grow, and become a better person. For English learners, this story shows how powerful simple words can be. Words like love, trust, accept, and support can create strong conversations. Keep practicing English every day, because every new word brings you closer to sharing your own stories. Lesson: family is not only created by birth, it is created by love, understanding, and the effort we make to care for each other. Never judge someone before knowing their heart. 5 useful vocabulary words with meanings. 1. Adopted, meaning a person who becomes part of a family through a legal process instead of being born into it. 2. Accept, meaning to welcome someone or something without rejection. 3. Support, meaning to help someone emotionally or practically. 4. Unexpected, meaning something that happens without being planned or predicted. 5. Valuable, meaning something or someone that is important and meaningful. Thank you for watching. Keep listening, shadowing, and practicing English. Remember, every story you hear can help you speak with more confidence. We hope this story helps you improve your English skills and enjoy learning through meaningful stories every day.